How to turn on or turn off Samsung Internet Sync on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Now in the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Then tap on manage accounts. Next, tap on Samsung account and then tap on sync account. Now from here, we scroll down, then tap on Samsung Internet. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Samsung Internet Sync. To perform an immediate sync, tap on the left hand side panel. And down here, you can see it's already starting to sync. It says syncing. And here you can choose what you sync. You can sync saved pages, bookmarks, open tabs, quick access, and history. Now this features is useful if you need to backup all of these settings so that later when you restore your device, all your open tabs, quick access, bookmarks will be restored back to your Samsung Internet app. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.